how to make a parent row on Smartsheet, and this is about help you through section that should be really right here, guys. Through this moment, create a parent row on Smartsheet. Seem to be really satisfied. To make it very important to deal with what I can say through this moment. As you can see, select the row and click on trident indent to turn one below onto the child through this. So first what we can do is about to take on this moment and more child rows as needed, to use formula like children to calculate it as children rows. So we go here to use formula as this formula and add it, but it doesn't give me the formula. So we go over here on the formula, started to adding this new rule. If you set condition on the, so this actually goes here.